Aside from the preservative, you also need water for this mixture. Yes, that is to emulsify. Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl again, Luminous Skincare. If you are seeing my face for the first time, hi, I'm Luminous, and on this channel we film about skincare, product reviews, supplement review, DIYs, everything concerning skincare. So if this is the kind of content you like to watch, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified each time once I'm here with a new video. So today, without dwelling much on the intro, I'll be teaching you guys how to make your body butter. Yes, this can be a lightning body butter, it can be a caramel body butter, it's a body butter that any skin type can use depending on how you mix it. A lot of people have been mixing their body butter, and I end up saying that okay, after a while of mixing your body butter, it ends up turning liquid. Yes, it turns liquid if you don't place it in the fridge. This body butter I'm about to give you the recipe, you don't necessarily need to place it in the fridge for it to remain solid. Yeah, it's going to remain solid till you finish the content. So the first thing you'll be needing for this mixture is your mango butter. You'll be needing 20 grams of your mango butter in this mixture. You'll be needing your shea butter at 50 grams. You'll be needing your citric acid. Yes, you'll be needing your stearic acid, not citric acid, please. You'll be needing your stearic acid at 10 grams. Yes, you also be needing your e-wax. E-wax is for your body butter not to turn liquid after a while. In most cases, a lot of people use beeswax, and beeswax equally turns liquid if placed in the sun or anywhere that is not really cold, right? So that's why I'm replacing this mixture with your e-wax. E-wax is going to emulsify this and make it stay solid for longer time. The next thing you'll be needing for your mixture is your oil. Yes, your oil, your carrier oil. You need your almond oil or your coconut oil, depending on your oil, the oil you love to use. You can also use your sunflower oil, but in this mixture I'll be using the sunflower oil. I'll be using the sunflower oil at 50 grams. I'll be needing the sunflower oil at 30 grams. I'll be needing my lightening serum. Yes, you can, at this stage you can add any serum, any very good serum you know you've been using that is very good for you. You can use this serum to boost the effectiveness of this oil, of this body butter, right? You can use the skin-free milk if you wish. You can use any other lightening serum in the market that you know. Then you go in with your essential oil. You need your 5 drops of any essential oil that you like. You need your fragrance, and you need your preservative. Yes, you still need your preservative, right? Aside from the preservative, you also need water for this mixture. Yes, that is to emulsify the oils and the water phase together. So if you've gotten all this recipe, so we'll be going on how to mix this recipe together to get the best result out of. So once you must have gotten all this recipe, then I'll be teaching you how to mix this recipe together. The first thing, like I said, is your shea butter, right? You're getting a bowl. You can get a baker, and you're pouring the shea butter, the mango butter, the oil, the almond oil into that beaker. You're adding your e-wax into that beaker. You're adding your citric acid. You're adding your stearic acid into this beaker as well. Then you're placing on a low heat. You're double boiling it. Yes, you're double boiling it. That is, you're placing it on, you know how to double boil, right? You're double boiling this recipe. Then you're adding on the other side, you're adding ordinary water without anything in it into your double boiler as well. You're adding water, that is, you're adding 70% of your water, like 70 grams of water, right? You're adding 70 grams of water. Then you're placing this both baker into your bowl to double boil. Once your oil might have melted into completely dissolved, then you bring down, you mix together the way you make your normal cream, normal lotion, but this is a body butter, mind you. So you're going to mix these two recipes together. You're going to mix till it becomes creamy, right? After this might have become creamy, you need your whitening oil. You're adding your whitening oil into the mixture. Your whitening oil should be around 70 grams. All the whitening oil you'll be adding. So you can add any whitening oil of your choice. Like I said, you can add the skin free milk, you can add the glutathione oil, glutathione serum, any very good whitening serum you think you have, you can add it. Then you go in with your essential oil, 5 drops of your essential oil, and you add in your fragrance. The last thing you'll be adding is your coloring, your food coloring. You add it to your desired taste. Yes, you add it to your desired taste. You can even mix 2 combination, like share the content into 2 baker, add a different color into 1 baker and the other color, a different color into the other baker as well. Then you mix, you mix bit by bit to give it this fancy, very beautiful looking body butter. And this body butter can be used by any skin type. Yes, because of the whitening oil I asked you to add does not necessarily mean the person is going to go white. It's just so the person can have this caramel glowing skin while using this body butter. So if you have successfully mixed these two together, you get your content, you get your body butter. This body butter can make do anywhere, with or without a fridge. Your body butter still stays without getting liquid. Yes, without turning liquid. So if you've gotten a value from this video, or you've watched my video to this extent, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell, so you'll be the first to be notified each time once I drop a new video. Until next time, see you guys in my next video. Bye. Peace out.